Welcome everybody. Today I have something different. Today's lesson is an exercise, the FizzBuzz exercise. Maybe you heard about FizzBuzz, but in case you didn't, FizzBuzz is a classic exercise for junior developer roles. In this exercise, you have to count from 0 to 100, printing all numbers. If the number is divisible by 3, you have to print fizz. If the number is divisible by 5, you print buzz. If it's divisible by 3 and 5, you have to print FizzBuzz. Everything else, print number. As you can see here, we are printing every number from 0 to 100, and as 3 divisible by 3 is 0 without any decimals, I print fizz. Also in 6, 9, 12, and with 5 and 10 and so on, buzz. If it's divisible by 3 and 5, like 15, 30, and so on, we are going to print FizzBuzz. As I said, this exercise is used for junior developer roles because it's pretty simple, but it tackles a bit of everything you have to know. For example, first we have to iterate from 0 to 100. So for number in range 0 to 101, because it's going to count from 0 to 100, not 101. If you put here 0 and 100, it's going to iterate from 0 to 99. So for example, I'm going to print number. Just print number. Okay, we have from 0 to 100. So now we have to check, for example, if number modulus 3 equals 0, this meaning we have no decimals, we are going to print number and fizz. Also, we are going to check else if number modulus 5 equals 0, we are going to print the number and buzz. Let's check it. Okay, now we have to print also the else case, meaning that when the number is not divisible by 3 nor 5. Print just the number. Okay, but why in 15 and 13 and 30, it's not printing FizzBuzz? Because when enters here 3, 15 is divisible by 3, it's going to print fizz, and it's going to end this iteration going back again. We have to add another case of elif number by 3 equals 0 and number, and of course we are going to print the number and FizzBuzz. This is going to work. Let's check it. Oh, of course, I have to put a 5 here. Let's see, 15, no. Why it's printing only fizz? Because, as I explained it before, when the number is 15, it's going to go here, 15 divisible by 3 equals 0 as remainder, and it's going to exit this iteration going back again to 16. So for this we have to put this here, elif, this elif, like this. Let's see. Now it's working. Why? Because it's going to check 0, 1, and so on until 15. 15 is going to check, is divisible by 3 and the remainder is 0? Yes. Also with 5? Yes. So print FizzBuzz, both fizz and buzz. When it goes to 18, is going to come here, is going to check, is divisible by 3? Yes. But is divisible by 5? No. So it's going to skip this one, and it's going to check this condition. So remember, when we want to check something that has 2 or more conditions, we have to put it at the top. Before code, we have to think how the code is going to work. So we need to pay attention if the conditions are before or after other conditions. As I said before, FizzBuzz is a classic exercise for junior developer roles interviews. So if you have your first interview and you are training for it, learning how to do FizzBuzz is pretty important, as you probably are going to be asked to do it. So try to do it on your own, try to understand every step of the code, the for iteration, the conditions, how to print, everything, and you are going to have an edge compared to other people if you understand this code. I hope you have learned something new from here, and I will see you on my next video.